Now that will no quench me thirst. Me I go continue tell you no more stories. One payday, me reach home, dead drunk, and me wife, what did left of me paycheck.
Thomas, only $5,000? You know said that can't take care of the house for the month. What you do with the rest of your paycheck?
But honey, me buy something for the house.
Oh, that is considerate of you. What did you buy, honey?
A round of drinks. Then, of course, it was lights out after that. Me used to be in the army before me get kicked out for always being drunk. A corporal said to me,
Tom, if you could only stay sober and obey the regulations, you could become a corporal like me. Isn't that worth sober for?
no sir, 'cause when me drunk, me is a general. Oh no sir, police always arrest me for drunkenness and carry me go court. Thomas, for the umpteenth time, you are charged with habitual drunkenness. What have you to offer in excuse for your offense? Habitual thirst, Your Honor. Order! Order in the court! Me promise me wife say me woulda stop drink.
Then how come you still drinking?
Me never promise her say me would stop tell lie. Me remember the time when me did stop drink though.
Me no believe that.
Yeah man, me have a friend we live a mobile and me used to order 2 drink of rum, one for me and one for him. Because him live in a mobile and me live a Kingston. Me used to drink the 2 rum them. But one day, me just order 1 drink of rum. The bartender did know say me always order one for me friend in a mobile. So, him ask me why me only order 1 drink of rum if my friend dead. Me tell him say no, my friend no dead, but me dey on the wagon. Then, me remember the time when me a drive me car and he get out of control. Then this brother come over and ask,
Whoa, what about crush, man? You did a drink?
you mushy eat that or what? Of course me drunk. You think say me a stunt driver? Then me remember the time me did drunk and go on a coaster bus. But she down beside one old lady.
You may not know it, mister, but you going straight to hell.
Lord have mercy. Uno let me off. Me dey on the wrong bus. Uno need to quench me thirst. If uno want hear more stories,